Cooking is magic! Who let an elf into the kitchen? Our culinary sensei is creating something in the kitchen. It's a fresh and healthy salad. Perfect! But a rude kitchen elf quickly swaps the dish for a rainbow version. Chop different colored vegetables. Dilute blue food coloring in water. Put slices of chicken breast into it. Let them soak for 15 minutes. Take out and pat them dry with a paper towel. Fry the chicken on medium heat. Season it. Make a rainbow out of the salad ingredients on a big plate. Place tomatoes, carrots, corn, pepper, chicken, and cabbage diagonally. Add some dressing. A rainbow salad? Yum! Hold on! Why is there an elf in my kitchen? Come on, make it how it was before! Hey, what are you doing? Leave my fork alone! Since Elfie wants to start a war, let's have a food battle! Regular food versus rainbow food. A rainbow burger is the most delicious dish in the world of elves. Divide 10 ounces of pre-made yeast dough into 2 parts. Add red and purple food coloring to it. Let the dough rise and bake it for 15 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the ready buns in half. Take a red bottom and a purple top. Season 7 ounces of ground chicken to taste. Add orange food coloring. Mix it and fry an orange patty. Add blue food coloring to water and let a slice of cheese soak in it for half a minute. Pat it dry. Cut a yellow tomato into circles. Wash a lettuce leaf. Assemble a burger so it looks like a rainbow. Fasten the burger with a skewer. A rainbow burger is Elfie's all-time favorite. It's juicy and filling, but a regular human burger is just as good. The patty is perfect. The first round is a tie. The score is 1-1. Something smells great. Bye, plain cake. And here it is, the rainbow dessert of my dreams. Whip 17 ounces of soft butter and the same amount of sugar with a mixer. Add 6 eggs and put in 17 ounces of flour and half an ounce of baking powder. Make batter and divide it into 6 parts, 10 ounces each. Add less than an ounce of colored milk to each part. Mix it well. Put the batter into a round mold. Bake it for 20 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Make 6 cake layers of rainbow colors. Whip 17 ounces of heavy cream with a mixer. Coat the layers with the icing, assembling a cake. Cover the whole cake with the icing. Decorate it with M&Ms. Cut a slice of rainbow cake. Oh wow! This is more than just a cake. This is a baked rainbow. It's so good! I could eat the whole thing. Haha! Got you! It's a spell that will save at least one piece of cake for me. Elf wins! The score is 2-1. Take some rainbow ice cream. What? How dare you trade it for a regular cone? Add food coloring to white ice cream. Mash it with a spoon. Put it into a pastry bag. Make ice cream of all the colors of the rainbow. Put it into a freezer so it thickens. Fill an ice cream mold with it to create rainbow layers and let it freeze. All right, Elfie, I'll try your rainbow ice cream. You betcha! It's obviously better. Oops! Elfie's ice cream wins. The score is 3-1 after this round. I love smoothies. But Elfie has a new recipe as usual. It's a rainbow in a glass. Make a red layer by combining strawberries and raspberries in a blender. Blend slices of orange and some raspberries for an orange layer. Make a yellow layer out of peach pulp and some yogurt. Process spinach and kiwi for a green layer. Banana, yogurt, and bubblegum flavor topping for blue. Blackberries and yogurt for purple. Pour the rainbow layers into a glass. Decorate it with mint and berries. Try my smoothie! Just one sip, please? Not bad! It's hard to mess up a smoothie. Both recipes are great. This smoothie round ends in a tie. The score is 4-2. In the next round, we'll be making pancakes. I'm cooking regular pancakes and Elfie is using a bright rainbow recipe. The result is a whole stack of rainbow pancakes. Whip 3 eggs and 6 spoons of sugar with a mixer. Pour in 12 ounces of milk and an ounce of vegetable oil. Keep whipping. Put in 12 ounces of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Make batter. Divide the batter into parts and add different food colorings. Cook pancakes without oil in a non-stick frying pan. Arrange the pancakes into a stack to make a rainbow. Let's see how it turned out. All the pancakes are great! But Elfie's rainbow dish looks way nicer and brighter. The score is Elfie 5, regular food 2. Elves don't like going to regular cafes. They get bored. Where is our food? What? Plain sushi rolls? They look so sad. But you can always turn them into a rainbow. Add food coloring to cooked sushi rice. Cover a bamboo mat with plastic wrap. Put a nori sheet on it with the scratchy side on top. Put the colored rice on it in strips. The rice has to be higher on top with an empty strip at the bottom. Dampen your hands in water so the rice doesn't stick. Go in the order of the rainbow. Quickly turn the piece over. Squeeze out some cream cheese. Put on sliced avocado and pieces of salmon. Dampen the edges of the nori sheet with water. Use the mat to make a roll. Smooth it out to adjust the shape. Cut the roll into pieces. Here's a whole plate of rainbow sushi. Yummy! This is the perfect dish for an elf. Sushi is always amazing. So it's a tie in this round. The score is 6-3. Hi, Lillian. Tell us which jelly is better. Fruit or rainbow? Cover an ounce of colored gelatin with 3 ounces of water. Stir it well. Add an ounce of yogurt when the gelatin starts to cool. Pour different flavors of jelly into a glass one after another. Wait for each layer to cool. Create a rainbow color transition. Decorate the hardened jelly with whipped cream and sprinkles. The rivals can't calm down. Let's taste both options. I think the rainbow jelly is more creative and delicious. Elfie wins hands down. Rainbow food takes the victory, 7-3. Did you like our rainbow recipes? Let us know in the comments about which rainbow treat you'd make. A cake, jelly, ice cream, or maybe a whole burger? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new rainbow ideas from Troom.